Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 5 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, Helping Others. Essay laws of this lesson are: recognize specific parts of words including common inflectional endings, compound words and affixes. Look at page number 30 of your textbook. What we have here? The compound words. I know you are familiar with the compound words. You have learned these in your previous class too. A word which consists of two smaller words joined together is called a compound word. When we join two words together, it conveys a different meaning. Like arm and chair. Armchair. Crossroad, evergreen. Iceberg. Graveyard. Ladybug. Wheelchair, underline. If you think of these words, if we separate them, they have different meanings. But if we join them together, it has its own meaning. It has its own different meaning. Here, if we look at here, the lady. Lady means a lady, a female, and the bug is, it can be any bug. But if we join them together, it is a specific bug. Ladybug, the one with the black dots like this. She has a red cover and the black dots on it. A specific bug, ladybug. It's so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. And the evergreen, the armchair, the crossroad, iceberg. Ice, it's ice. Generally, it's common ice. And the berg can be, but if we join them together, iceberg, it is iceberg. Big iceberg. So, we have a exercise of it here. Write compound words with the help of given words. The first one is done for you. Here we have airport. Air and port is joined together and it's airport, where we can see, or we see of people or when they go in aeroplane. This is called airport. And we have playground here in which we play. It's playground. The butterfly, an insect. The handbag which we carry, the shoelace. Look here, we have a section B here. Make compound words from these root words. The first one is done for you. What you need to do? You have to make the compound words with these words here. The first one is done for you. Toothache. Look at the second one here. What it will be. Which word we can join it here with the door. It can be doorsteps. Yes. Raincoat. Mailbox here. I want you to do the remaining words by yourself here. Now look here. On page number 31 of your textbook, we have prefixes. What are the prefixes? We have learned about the suffixes in your previous lesson. So, this is the prefix. A prefix is a word or single syllable added before a word to form a new word. Syllable which is consist of 2 or 3 words, like here, like this, UN, here. There are 2 letters, but it is called one syllable. In one syllable, we can have 3 letters or 2 letters, like UN, ABL, able. This is the example of suffixes. Comfortable. It can be this. Un. We have two letters here, but it's one syllable here. A prefix is a word of single syllable added before a word to form a new word. You have to add before the root word here. Add the prefix un to change them to negative meanings. For example, we have a word here pack, but if we add un here, it's become unpack, the negative, exactly the opposite one. Pack का क्या मतलब होता है? पैक कर देना, कोई चीज पैक करना. और अनपैक का क्या मतलब होता है? किसी चीज को अनपैक कर देना, खोल देना. तो क्या हो जाता है? ऑपोजिट में बिल्कुल उसका मीनिंग चला जाता है, नेगेटिव में चला जाता है. रैप, unwrap, do, undo. We have to add un here with all the words here, the given here. Prefix is a single syllable. Single syllable means we have two letters here in single syllable. And always we add prefixes before the root word. In suffixes, we add after the root word. But in prefixes, we add before the root word here. Root word is here, the pack. This is the root word, the main word here, the basic word here. But if we add something to it, a single syllable or two letters or three letters after or before it, it will be called affixation, and the prefixes and the suffixes. We add suffixes after the root word and we add prefixes before the root word. So, we have unbuckle here, unbolt here, untie here. Now look, section B. Add the prefix this to change them to negative meaning. Again, we have so many negative prefixes. Im, il. In. We have this one here, this. It will change the meaning of the word into negative one. Like how? Appear, disappear. Agree, yes, disagree. Obey, disobey. Like, dislike. Please, displease. You have to add this here only. Arm, disarm. It will completely change its meaning into negative. This is also from your textbook exercise, page number 34. Choose the correct option. The negative of pack is what? Yes, we have done it in exercise earlier. Yes, unpack. The negative of appear is, this is also we discussed. Yes, disappear. This is your homework from Summer Pack, page number 22. We have an activity here on page number 23. From Summer Pack, this is also your homework. And what you need to do, you have to read this poem, helping others, and to identify the compound words and the words with negative prefixes. Yes, you have to spot out all the compound words and negative prefixes in this stanza here. I hope you will do your homework. Thank you.